Wala o siya ni Kao. Sige na, hello, we are here in the garden. This is my garden here. This is Monica's garden. My garden here. This is my garden. So, I give my dog food. There, he's now a little bit okay. There, he's now okay. That's my dog. So we cannot have Wi-Fi. If I go to my here, this is my Monica, my garden. This is Monica. We're going to rest for a while. This is my garden, and that's my, how do you call that? You cannot call that a duyan, a swing. I forgot the, that one. We'll have to rest for it. My Wi-Fi cannot go there. My Wi-Fi cannot reach there because it's far from our Wi-Fi place. This is not our lot. This is owned by a foreigner, but this will be sold, or they will have to use this years from now. So we can't do about it because this is not our lot. So God will have to find another garden for us. He's sleeping again. There's the bird there. So we'll have to rest. A while here. Pinatam here. I have a while because of peanut. I have a while because of peanut.